Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The missing number is. Now we are given four circles in which four numbers are written. Now if we observe alternate circles, in alternate circles, top and bottom numbers are unchanged. Top and bottom numbers are unchanged. The right number, this one is increased by 7, this one is increased by 3. The side number right side number increased by 3. In first circle in first circle 4 was right side number, and in third circle, that is alternate circle, 4 plus 3 equal to 7 was the number. If we observe the second and fourth, similarly in second circle, in second circle right number is 13, and in fourth circle the right number is 13 plus 9. So in first circle the number is changing by 3, and in first and third circle, and in second and fourth circle the number is changing by 9. So let's see the left circles. I'll remove this increased by 3. The right side circles are increased, and the left side numbers are again increased by same pattern. So first and third are increased by 3, and second and fourth are increased by 9. Let's observe. In first circle it's 9, and in third circle it's 9 plus 3, which is 12. So this is right. Let's observe second and fourth circle. Now in second circle the left number is 28. So in fourth circle the left number will increase by 28 plus 9. So it should be equal to 37. 28 plus 9. So missing number, therefore missing number should be 37. So this is the answer.